So, you deleted a video from your USB drive, then plugged the drive back in, only to realize it's totally gone from the folder. Annoying, right? No worries, Bitwar is here to save the day. Just head to the Bitwar official website by typing the URL into your browser. Once you're on the site, scroll down a bit until you see the Win version button. Click that to download the software. Open Bitwar and pick the standard display mode at the bottom. Then plug in your USB drive. On the home page, look to the top right. There's an option for deleted files from USB and memory cards. Click that. Since there's only one USB drive here, just select it and hit Next. Now, under Lost File Types, choose Video Files. Click Scan in the bottom right, then sit tight for a bit. Let it do its job. Once the progress bar finishes, Bitwar will dig up all the lost stuff from your USB. To find your video, check the left side. You can sort by date. Pick the day you deleted the file, and that'll make it easy to find. On the right, you'll see all the file details. You can even preview the recovered files by clicking the preview button up top to see if it's the one you need. See that? That's the video I just deleted. Once you find it, select it, click Recover in the bottom right. Choose a folder on your computer to save it to, and that's it. It'll say Successfully Recovered to Video File. Check that folder, and the video's all there. No parts missing. That's Bitwar's deep recovery for you. Subscribe to us to learn more about the software.